Hey Twinkle Lights, welcome to Twinkle's YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to be making our own little DIY Valentine's Day gift. So you can make this for your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, special friend, anyone you want to make this for. It's going to be a picture carousel, however you want to pronounce it. But yeah, all you need are some colored paper or cardboard paper that has color, whichever colors that you like. This is very much self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna chat a lot. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. But yeah, I'm just folding up the colored paper so I'm able to draw a little heart that I will cut out. So you can make it big, small, however you want it. But I did find that it would have been much easier if I made the hearts a little bit smaller, considering that my picture that I had was quite tiny, so there was a lot of space to spare, so it didn't look quite pleasing to the eye. I don't know, but yeah, this is me gathering up all of my red papers that I have cut out. I ended up adding some green colored paper because I wanted it to be a little bit more colorful, so it ended up looking very Christmassy, Christmas colors, green and red. But it's okay, you can have Christmas colors for Valentine's Day as well. So this is me cutting out my heart. Look at how huge it is. But I used that heart as a template for the other ones. Then I had some cream paper and I cut out a rectangle. So here you measure with the heart and then you draw lines. So these are the spaces that are going to be in between the little hearts. So you can make them big, large, small, however you want them to be, just to your liking. So now I'm just folding the paper right on the lines that I drew. You fold in the same direction, not different directions. So this is where you kind of see how it's going to work, because we're going to pull it through a card. You're gonna see at the end. It's gonna make sense, I promise you. Use some glue and you stick your hearts. Then you take the next heart and you stick it right on the line. So now you get a little rectangle and you measure first. You measure the heart and then you stick the rectangle together. So this is going to be the card that you're going to pull the picture carousel through. You take the heart, the first heart that you stuck, and you apply glue. And I need you guys to look at this very carefully to see where I exactly stick the heart. I stick it on the card that you're gonna pull the picture carousel through. See? There you go. Then you can write a little message for whoever you're gonna give this to. Make it more pretty than mine, guys. I just used black pencil, but you can use all types of colors, glitter, sparkles, all the works. Now the last part, you just add pictures on each one of these hearts. I only had one picture to add, so that's why you only see one picture. But this is how it's gonna work. See, you just pull it through and then you can actually see each picture individually, like so. So cool, right? This is so cool. I had so much fun making this with you guys. I hope yours turned out perfectly or just as good as mine, because I love mine. Yeah, thank you so much.